Do you enjoy playing games? How about earning prizes while doing so? Welcome to LootPrizes, a thrilling platform that fuses fun and rewards into one exciting package. On LootPrizes, you don't just play games, you earn while doing so. LootPrizes offers an array of engaging games, and as you immerse yourself in these virtual worlds, you're also stacking up points. These points are your golden tickets to a myriad of prizes. But that's not all. LootPrizes is always brimming with opportunities to earn more points. Regular visits to the LootPrizes website and staying connected on our social media channels could unlock daily and weekly bonuses. So what's the catch? There isn't one. This platform is all about making the gaming experience more rewarding. Imagine playing your favorite games and getting rewarded for it. Exciting, isn't it? Now you must be wondering, how can you earn points on LootPrizes? Well, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. To start, you can earn points by playing fun and entertaining games. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn points by simply indulging in your favorite pastime, but that's not all. LootPrizes also rewards you for completing various offers. These could be anything from signing up for a newsletter, trying out a new app, or making a purchase from a partner site. And if you're active on social media, why not promote LootPrizes and earn points while you're at it? Share the site with your friends, and you'll be racking up points in no time. Lastly, don't forget about the surveys and offer walls. These provide a steady stream of opportunities to earn even more points. So, not only do you get to enjoy your favorite games, but you also get to earn points that bring you closer to amazing prizes. And what happens when you've collected enough points? You exchange them for prizes. That's the beauty of LootPrizes. Once you've racked up your points, it's time to turn them into tangible rewards. Let's delve into the process. First, head over to the Redeem section of the website. You'll see a plethora of options to choose from. There's a vast range of gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, and Target, just waiting to be claimed. But that's not all. If you prefer a more versatile reward, you can opt for a prepaid MasterCard or Visa card, giving you the freedom to spend your winnings wherever you like. And remember, LootPrizes isn't just for a select few, it's a global platform, available to game enthusiasts from all corners of the world. So, wherever you are, you can join in on the fun. So the more you play, the more points you earn, and the more prizes you get. Are you ready to start your gaming and earning journey with LootPrizes? Imagine the thrill of playing your favorite games, all while stacking up points that can be exchanged for fantastic prizes. The adventure is just a click away. With LootPrizes, you're not just a player, you're a winner. And the best part, the more you play, the more you earn. But why keep all the fun to yourself? Spread the joy by inviting your friends to join. Not only will you have companions in your gaming journey, but you'll also gain even more points through our referral program. It's a win-win situation. So why wait? Jumpstart your gaming and earning journey today. Embrace the thrill, enjoy the games, and reap the rewards. With LootPrizes, every game is more than just a game. It's a chance to win. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Start playing, start earning, and let the fun begin with LootPrizes.